Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel for the Metabo 36 volt hammer drill. And so please stick around, check out the video. We'll give a little bit of specs and information and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys' day is going well. So before we get started, click that like button, dislike button, leave a comment, smush the bell notification icon for updates for more tools, stuff like this. We got a lot coming to the channel as well as demo videos, but today it's just going to be a quick introduction to the channel. So this is the Metabo HPT 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter chuck hammer drill. It's 1220 inch-pounds of max torque, which is the new Makita is 1256 if I remember correctly. So it's a little underpowered compared to the Makita, the newer Makita XP814. This has 2100 RPMs, no load speed. This is the 2.5 amp hour times 2 kit. Comes with two 2.5 amp hour multi-volt Metabo batteries, which are when it's in 18 volt mode, it is a 5 amp hour. Comes with 2 of them. The tool, a very unique side handle. Definitely can't mess it up. Goes into these little ports that are covered. Shows a little side handle on them. You flip them up and you thread the handle in, and then you put this little rubber piece plug, attach the plug to this little nub right here. You got that on both sides. It's a ratcheting chuck. It does have a infinite variable speed trigger. Comes with a charger, this nice looking hard case right here, and information on the back of the box. We're just gonna turn the box around, slide it back here. This does have reactive force control, which is a type of gyro measurement. So when there's too much torque applied, it shuts the tool down so it doesn't harm you, or you know, break your wrist or break your arm, twist your arm or anything like that. Similar to the Flex, new Flex that just came out on their Plus model turbo hammer drill. Same thing. If it tweaks, you're drilling something and the drill tweaks like this, it will shut down. Same information on the back, what I just described. 36 volt tools, 2.5 amp hour, 18 volt tools, 5 amp hour. Specs on the side of the box. Chuck, 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter keyless, multi-stage clutch. Yes, 22 plus 2, so 22 clutch settings plus drill and hammer mode. No load speed in gear, high speed gear. Speed 2 is 0 to 2100 RPMs a minute, or revolutions a minute. In speed 1, it's 0 to 500 RPMs or revolutions a minute. Impact rate is 0 to 31,500 impacts a minute, or IPM on speed 2. On speed 1, it is 0 to 7,500 impacts per minute, or IPM. Max torque is 1,220 inch-pounds. Hard joint capacity for concrete's 3/4. 20 millimeter wood, 4 inch, 102 millimeters. Probably talking about a 4 inch hole saw. Steel, 5/8. If you have the right bit, you can do higher than 5/8 in a 1/2 inch chuck if you do find reduced shank drill bits. Battery amp hour is 2.5 at 36 volts. Tool weight with a 2.5 amp hour is 6 pounds. I did do a video When you guys get to see that video, you're going to get to see this one first, but I did do a specs, information, weights, and measures video. This tool does weigh less than 6 pounds with a 2.5. It only weighs above 6 pounds if you have the 4 amp hour / 8 amp hour on it with the side handle, the hammer handle. If you're using it without the handle, or if you're using it even with the handle with a 2.5, which is what this kit came with, you're looking at under 6 pounds. So the box, the box is stating it's heavier than it actually is. This kit, if I move the drill out the way, this kit is Delta Victor 36 Delta Alpha. Greg, this kit is the 2.5 amp hour times 2 batteries kit. If you want the 4 amp hour multi-volt 8 amp hour battery kit that comes with 2 of those batteries, it's Delta Bravo 36 Delta Alpha without the G. And if you can also look it up on Google as well as Delta Victor 36 Delta Alpha with an M. Same, it will come up as the same thing. The 4 amp hour kits aren't available at the moment for some reason. Not sure why. This kit in particular with the 2.5s is available at Lowe's. Same with the impact driver. It's got 2 variants also. One where it comes with 2 of the 2.5s, one that comes with 2 of the 4s. And this tool, all 36 volt tools will accept the adapter that you plug into the wall. So you can make this a corded tool. We will definitely be doing videos on that where I demonstrate the cord. We'll see if it adds power, it loses power. We'll just, do testing on that. But that's about it. This is just a quick, small little introduction. It does come with a double-sided Phillips bit in the box, as well as the charger. This charger does have a USB port on the back. It's 5 volt, 2 amp. If you want to turn the USB on, you'd push the button. This USB light will turn green. As well as you got your instruction guides right here. Want to say a couple small things that's left. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates if something like this interests you. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also have Ulsa Tools link. That will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as one other thing, and that is I want to say thank you to everybody that is subscribed, non-subscribed, people that watch, like, dislike, comment, people that watch the ads during the videos, as well as, what's the other thing? Oh, and people that use the affiliate links. It is much appreciated. The channel is paying for tools and stuff now, so we're going to start buying wood, doing demos. This hammer drill against the DeWalt, against the Milwaukee, against the Makita, so on and so forth. Whether it's hammer drills, whether it's regular drill drivers, whether it's impact wrenches or impact drivers. We got 18 volt, 36 volt of the Metabo HPT. We have Metabo tools. We have Makita 12, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2 tools, as well as we are going to be getting the 40 volt and 80 volt tools for Makita coming in on the channel as well. Milwaukee 18 volt and 12 volt, DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, Extreme 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. We got Bosch 18 volt core, and we have Earthquake XT 20 volt tools from Harbor Freight, as well as I do have their air impacts as well, the pneumatics. So we got lots of tools we can do testing on. So if anything like that interests you, go ahead and smush the bell notification icon. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Today is June 3rd. Pretty early in the morning. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you guys for stopping by. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!